Hey Karen. So I'm wrecked, but this is what sheep shearing is all about. So here's the big pen at the back. These are smaller pens. I'll show you now in a second. There's Jim. So you're going into the tiny small pen here, then up the race, all the way up there, and up to Tom. Here they are going up the race. We'll swing around and see watch Tom. He opens the coat up and then uses gravity to pull it down as he shears it away. All the time keeping an eye on the sheep that it doesn't get away. He's on the half-drawn sheep. Then the wool gets thrown into the bag. I have a bag full of wool, so one bag full.